Hello everyone, this is Prabhashri, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So this video is about design thinking for logic and proposition. Design thinking, we are applying design thinking in logic and proposition. So based on the logic and proofs. So in this concept, the first of all, we will go with the logic and proposition. So proposition means we know that what is mean proposition? If a given statement must be true or whether it can be a true or false. So Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, which is true, and Delhi is in America, which statement is false. Or foundation in discrete mathematics, or the basic foundation. So mainly students will get struggle in the concepts and notations like connectivities. So where they have to use the negation symbol and where have to use and or symbol like that. So in the design thinking basic concept we are going to engaging and initiative. So coming to the next point. So why we are how to empathize? So first we are going to understand the students level changes with the proposition. So first we are going to define clarity with the learning obstacles. Then we are going to create a brainstorming methods in just teaching methodology. So the next one is we are going to develop interactive tools, and then finally we will refine the basic on a feedback. So these are the things we are going to apply. So next to this, so gathering insights into a student's difficulty with the logic and the propositions. So first challenges is a confusion between propositions. So I have already told you whether the statement, they don't know whether the statement is true or false. So they have to clear it first of all. So if a 2 plus 7 equal to 9, we know we all know that the given statement is true. And for non-preposition we ask, do you speak English? So it is a question. So they have to analyze whether it is a question or statement. So for the question we don't say true or false. We will say that yes or no, like that only. So they have to analyze that whether it can be a proposition or not proposition, like that. So then the next difficulty with the connectivity is today is Monday. So false negation, what they have to write, today is not a Monday. So the given statement is what, today is Monday. So they have to write a negation. So today is not Monday, they have to write. So they will struggle with the symbolic forms. So we have to mention the symbols, for what purpose we are using the symbols. So instead of and, we are using that symbol. Instead of or, we are using that symbol. And instead of implies, we are using that symbol. So we have to convey that to everyone. So for example, students find atomic proposition easier but struggle with a common proposition like lotus is a pink flower and the national flower of India. So due to this we have to first focus on simplify connectives. So first of all we are choosing a simple statement like 2 plus 5 equal to 8, whether it is a true or false. They all know that 2 plus 5 which is equal to 7. So they will obviously say it's a false statement. Then we are coming with 7 plus 3 equal to 9, which is true or false. So we all know that 7 plus 3 is not equal to 9. So 7 plus 3 is which is equal to 10. So if A implies B, so false implies false. So false tends to false, which is true. So we have to basically we have to imply that a notation what it mentioning. So if we given a false statement as an input, then we will get a false statement. So our statement is false in the beginning itself, so we are getting a wrong statement, so it's a true. So now we are coming to a game or a story like that. So gamifying learning. Now we are going to create a logic quest game where students solve a proposition puzzles like that. Then the visual aids, use truth tables. We are going to use truth tables and flowcharts for connectivities, negations, biconditional, conditional, and then for conjunction and disconjunction like that. So and the next one is storytelling. We are going to frame your propositions as a detective cases. If Ram takes calculus, then see the Rita takes English like that. So we are going to take a collaborative truth value analysis activities, group activities like that. Okay, thank you.